In this video, we're looking at one of the hardest moments on the front line. Wounded soldiers are coming in one after another, and the medics are racing against time to keep them alive. You can hear the medics shouting, "Move, move, get closer, keep coming." Another wounded soldier is brought in. He has lost a lot of blood. A medic leans in and says, "Hey brother, can you hear me? Stay with us. We've got you." Out here, treatment happens anywhere they can make space. Sometimes in a foxhole, sometimes in a trench, sometimes inside a moving vehicle. Wherever there's room, they work. The medics give instructions. Hold him higher, don't drop his head. Because of incoming shelling, they have to unload patients while staying in cover. One medic turns on a light and pulls out the tools. Another tells the wounded soldier to breathe. After a moment, he says, "Good, I've got his vein." They know one small mistake can change the patient's life in minutes. One next, we see the Stabnet, a mobile frontline stabilization point. Inside this container is a compact medical room built for fast emergency care. During treatment, they pull a fragment out of a soldier's body. The medic tells him, "Easy, this will hurt a little." The soldier jokes, "Can I keep it as a souvenir?" The medic laughs and says, "Sure, I'll pack it for you." With proper lighting and space, they can rotate the patient, inspect the wound, and work much faster. The biggest advantage of the Stabnet is that everything is within reach. No digging through bags, no running around. Medics just call out, "Give me hemostatic, bandage, the pink one," and it's right there every time. Two medics work side by side, sometimes three, sometimes four. The tougher the situation, the more hands they need. A medic says, "I remember everyone we brought into the Stabnet. A lot of them were critical. Sometimes it took 2 hands, sometimes 4, sometimes 8. They check the pressure on an injured leg, then say, 'Move your toes.' Yes, good. They have plasma, medications, oxygen, monitors, ventilators, even air conditioning to control the temperature inside." A medic tells another wounded soldier, "Don't fall asleep, brother. You can sleep when we reach the stabilization point." Right now, they're running on battery power, but the whole unit can operate on its own for a long time. Giving you oxygen now. Breathe. Your saturation is at 100. The Stabnet can work from a fixed spot, or it can move right up to the front line to stay close to the wounded. The wounded soldier shouts, "I'm bleeding, brother." The medic checks him immediately and says, "You're fine. Your eye is okay." Another wounded man tells a medic, "You saved me in the tree line." The medic replies, "Look at me now. I'm still saving people." The fighting is close. FPV drones are in the air. Someone says, "Hold on, don't go out yet. Check the wounded first." The Stabnet is always moved quickly. Staying in one spot too long makes it an easy target. The medics carry the wounded into cover and treat them fast. "Come on, brother, almost done. Walk carefully." Zala drones rise into the sky. Everyone freezes for a moment. When they pass, a medic says, "All right, let's move." Each version of the Stabnet is upgraded from the last one. Feedback, experience, and battlefield needs shape it every time. It's a lifesaver in fast-moving combat. Another enemy drone lifts off. The medics say, "All right, I'll finish writing this. Let's go." And at the end, you hear one word: teamwork.